So this is leftovers from my last painting, and I could not go without trying to do something with them. So I want to tell you real quickly the colors that I used was DecoArt Glorious Gold, Titanium White, Lamp Black. And I did a big painting, and these are all the drips from it. So I wanted to take these and use them somehow. All the paints are mixed 1-to-1 or so with Owatrol Easy Flow. Sometimes I add a little bit more of the Owatrol if I want it just a little thicker. And I sometimes add water just to make it to where it's not super thick. But I wanted my paints thicker on this one, and there is no silicone in any of these colors either. So what I'm going to do for the first one, I'm going to try and just dip my canvas straight into the paint. I don't know how this will work, but I can only get half of it in. Okay, it's a beautiful background, but it turns it to mud, that's for sure. So I'm going to stop right there. I have a balloon. I want to dip my balloon in. And just take it from there. So very neutral. I'll have to come up with something I can paint over this. I really wanted it to be very definite in the colors. So I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to put some cups down here. Because it's hard to hold the canvas and press the balloon at the same time. Canvas panels are great for dipping though, because they are almost too thin for acrylic pours. They warp a lot, but this amount of paint is a good amount that does not make it warp so much. So I'm going to try to just do like a white puddle. I've got my bottle of copper paint. I'm just going to put a puddle of copper in it. Straight out paint. So it's like a lump. So that's just with adding white back over it. At least it gives it a little bit more depth. So I'm bringing the other one back over. I'm going to do the white again. I'm not going to use the copper, I'm just going to use the white. When a balloon is wet, it is slippery. Still didn't get want a definite white coming this way. Okay, you can go back over this area. I think I can live with that. So there's the first one as well. So it's a big mud pie. I actually like these little things where I laid my sink strainers down. They're going to probably dry in big blobs, but I may cut them out and use them on some mixed media piece. You never know. Keep your mind open to reuse paints in ways that you don't typically think about. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, check out all the links below. Make sure to come join me on Facebook. Look at all the Amazon products that are below my video for things that you might need to paint. And I'll see you next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.